So, in today's video, we got an unboxing and a review and an on foot. Now, this is an unboxing of a shoe from the brand Sample Industries. I know of this brand because of the YouTubers Bullet RC and Tony D2 Wild. As you can see, I have on one of their hats. I have like 3 hats already, and I have a slide. I wanted to get, some clothing from their brand too. But I'm gonna work my way up to that. I love these hats, especially this one. Is just unique, it's different, dope color combination. And I saw this shoe, I'm like, wait a minute, this also is dope, so let me go ahead and buy it. But before we do any more talking, my name is Shawnee. On all my other socials, I go by Shawnee the Tsunami. But on this channel, we're gonna just keep it Tsunami, because listen, it's not just the drip, it's the whole tsunami. All right, so this shoe is called the Look See Sample sneaker. I got them in a size 9. That's my true size. We're gonna see if they fit and all that. But first I wanna unbox them and then we could talk more about them. All right, we got the standard box, brown box. First of all, this box is actually really, really dope. On the top, it has Sample, the little logo right on the top of the box, and then around it on the back it says one of a few, and then on the sides it says what if, which is dope, one of a few again, and then what if, so it alternates. Then it also has the size tag on that, size 9. It says Look See Sample, $150. Overall, this box I think is well done. It's dope. It's different than all the other boxes. Now let's go ahead and open this thing up. So we have the sample paper inside, all right, these look crazy. I love them. All right, so I'm gonna try my best to be a reviewer. Like I always say, I'm not really good at reviewing. I just like unboxing shoes, buying shoes. I'm not the type to be like materials and all. I don't know about materials like that. So now, to keep it a buck, these are similar to the CPFM Air Force Ones. Everybody knows that. That might be where they got their inspiration from. They might not want to say it, but I mean, come on now. You know what I'm saying? Now, I love the CPFMs, right? And I was thinking about buying them. When I saw the price, no. In my size, they're going for $750. It depends on, what variation of the shoe you got. No, I'm not spending that much on that shoe. You know what I mean? So that's why I got this, because I saw it. It looks so dope. Instead of having air on it, it just says Sample on it. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna get a little bit into the details of the shoe. But first I wanna say, I saw some comments, on the post on Sample Industries, and you're always gonna get haters no matter what. But I've seen a lot of people saying this ain't it. You're gonna get a lawsuit. You know what I'm saying? Saying, why y'all copy and do your own thing? I think this is genius. Like I just said, I'm not about to spend $700 on a shoe. You know what I'm saying? So to spend $150, something similar, if I'm not mistaken, on the Nike site you can customize it, so that's a little different. But these are just clean, in my opinion. I think it's genius, and it's not like they entirely copied them. They added their own stuff to it. They got Sample on it. You know what I'm saying? And the Air Force One is such a basic, and just like standard silhouette of a shoe, that it's really not that serious. I mean, I'm not saying that Nike wouldn't look at it and be like, you know what I'm saying? Like, or see something wrong with it, because they probably would. But I don't think they're that big of a brand yet. I don't think they get a lot of traction, where a lot of people are looking at the shoe and, instead of getting the CPFMs or whatever the case may be, they're getting this. It's not like that. It's just, I think Sample just wanted to do something. They got inspiration from the CPFM. This is not technically an Air Force One. It's just, the silhouette of it. And, I think it looks dope. So that's what I got to say about that. That's why I bought these, but let's get into the details. Like I said, they got SMLP, which I think is pronounced like Sample. On the sides of the shoe is stitched, just lettering stitched on the sides of the shoe. I think the outline of these letters, I think they are 3M, so they glow in the dark. You know what I'm saying? Put some light on it. We're gonna see in the B-roll all that. On the back, it says one of a few. I think that's the heel tab, one of a few. And then the lace lock, it says Sample on it. Also, on the tongue, it has Sample on that. Now in the insole, it says not for resale, which is kind of a familiar motto as well. So this probably has a lot of inspiration, but like I just said, they made it their own. And for the rest of it, I'm guessing, you know, it's similar to Air Force One, maybe like synthetic leather, all that. You know, like I said, I'm not gonna get into materials because I'm not that good on that. When I look deeper into like everything, I do see like small faults and small, you know, imperfections. You know, that's a lot of shoe brands, you know, that's not just a them thing. A lot of shoe, you know, places, and you know, when you buy shoes, that happens a lot. Now, I forgot when I bought these. I bought these a long time ago. These were a pre-order. I think I bought it earlier this year. I bought these on April 17th. Today is July 28th. But they said that. They said it's going to take a long time. They say this is a pre-order. You're not going to get it right away. You're probably going to have to wait till August. And they say it might come a little earlier, which we did get it a little earlier, but you know, it's close to August. Some people are not patient enough for that. And you know, they have a lot of problems with that. I don't really care because like I said, if I don't have to spend $750 on some CPFMs and just wait, you know, couple months to get something that's similar but cheaper, I'll do that, you know, and I did it. I had the money. I said, you know, I was getting them stimulus checks. I said, you know what? Why not? You feel me? Like, I'm not in an urgent rush to get these, and I got them and they're dope. I'm gonna try to make outfits with them, and it is what it is. But now we're gonna see, you know, put them on, test them, you know, give a further review when I try them on and see how they feel. And so let's get straight into that. Let's go. All right, guys. I don't really have much else to say. I just have something quick to say about the sizing real quick. And for me, they felt a half size too big. But that's what I usually hear about Air Force One sizing. So they're similar again in that aspect. I don't know if anyone's ever going to be able to buy these again. I don't know if they're going to put this up on the site. But for people that actually bought them, I guess this is just a review for them. But other than that, they felt great. They felt good. You know what I'm saying? I don't have nothing else to say. All right, guys, that will be the end of the video. So tell me down in the comments below how you feel about these look-see sample sneakers. I think they're dope. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna wear them a lot. I know it's weird, but I don't have Air Force Ones. I don't have some all white Air Force Ones in my, you know, in my collection. So, you know, I'm the type of person that wants to look different, and I want to be unique. So, you know, I got something different that nobody's really gonna know when I put them out, and they're like, oh, what are those? And I'm gonna be like, these are some, you know, some sample sneakers, baby. What you know about that? You know what I'm saying? And that's that on that. So like I already just said, tell me down in the comments below how you feel about these. And that being said, I'm out of here. Peace.